Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Telegram updating problem in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your Telegram has been stuck on updating. So let's see some possible fixes for this. It's nothing else. It's just a network issue which can be easily fixed by fixing your network. So the very first thing you can try to connect with a different, stable, and strongest network connection. Then go to your settings app. Go to general, go to VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnected your VPN, just go back and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to data and time section and enable this toggle to set your data time automatically. Go back and go to software update and just try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, your issue might have been fixed, and you can also try to update your Telegram app. Open your App Store and here simply search for Telegram. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Telegram app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating your Telegram app, your issue will be fixed, so you will not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches of your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press on the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to go to your browser and here just simply search for is Telegram available and next to enter your country name. So you might see if your Telegram is not available in your country. So you can directly go to your app store here, simply search and simply search for VPN and just install a third party VPN from here. I'm using this one in my iPhone. So once you have installed the VPN, just connect with the VPN and then retry. Your issue will be fixed. Or if you're facing the issue that Telegram is available in your country, you might see here yes, but you're still facing the same issue. Just go back and open your settings app. Go to general, go to iPhone storage here, just look for search and search for Telegram. You just have to try to offload your app or you can also try to delete apps in case of offloading or deleting. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Telegram app, it will be fixed in this app so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.